How to use a pick. Place the pick under your index finger and place the ring onto it. If it's loose, tighten. If it's tight, loosen. Keep it in a balance where the blood flow isn't hindered. Use a pick that doesn't go below second knuckle line of the finger and fix the other end of the pick in a position where it's neither long nor short. Qanun strings are generally aligned in groups of 3 strings, and every string in a group is coded to the same note. It's necessary to touch all 3 at the same time. Therefore, the pick needs not to be in a vertical position. The finger shouldn't be like this either. With a small finger movement, the pick should touch the strings in an angle like this. So, which part should be used? Right hand should neither violate the place of the left hand nor be in the far right part. As the pick gets closer to the bridge, as you can hear, the timbre becomes more metallic. Your right hand should follow a straight line. Your left hand should move paralleling the levers close enough to be able to use them quickly, but also not touch them unintentionally. I'm concluding this lesson with exercises you need to do every day. In the beginning, you can study more slowly than I did here. First exercise is 3-octave scale which starts with left hand. Repeat it starting with right hand too. For the second exercise, do the whole scale with one hand. An octave above. And another octave above. Now the opposite. The octave below. Another octave below.